Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Griddy in FC24. To perform this iconic celebration, you'll need to understand the correct button combination on your controller. It's a fantastic way to show off after scoring a goal and adds a fun, personalized touch to your gameplay. We'll cover the exact steps to ensure you can pull it off consistently and impress your opponents. For PlayStation players, executing the Griddy is straightforward. First, hold down the L2 button on your controller. While holding L2, quickly flick the right analog stick upwards 2 times in a row. Once the animation starts, you can release L2. Practice this a few times in a training match to get the timing just right, and you'll be griddying in no time. Xbox users can also perform the Griddy with a similar input. Begin by holding down the LT button on your Xbox controller. Next, you'll need to flick the right analog stick upwards 2 times in quick succession. As soon as your player starts the Griddy animation, you are free to release the LT button. This move is sure to get a reaction from your opponents. To consistently perform the Griddy, practice is key. Head into the practice arena to get a feel for the timing of the stick flicks. Remember, not all players have this specific celebration, so ensure your chosen player has it assigned. Using the Griddy after a crucial goal or a fantastic play makes it even more impactful and memorable in your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.